In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go to the PlayStation Store and then here go to the search icon, press X. Now on the search bar, press X and search for Fortnite. And after you search for Fortnite, you will see the Fortnite here down below in the games. So go on Fortnite, press X. So I have already downloaded Fortnite, so it is showing me the play game. But you will see here the download option. So go on that and press X and the game will start to download. So this is how you can download Fortnite on PS5. Thanks for watching.